Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Harris 250 DC. This particular boat is powered by Mercury 350 Verado, digital throttle and shift. It does have the stainless steel ski tow bar on the back, stainless steel ladder. This is the single lounger option, flip-flops in the back. Coming through, this boat has the dual helm chairs that are side by side. Here at the helm, you've got the new dash, Simrad GPS. Moving forward, plenty of forward seating, flip down cup holders, and also an in-floor ski locker. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Harris 250 Dual DC. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.